Let's talk about an idiom that's as sharp as a carpenter's hammer. Hit the nail on the head. Now, if you've ever tried to hammer a nail, you know it's not just about swinging that hammer like you're auditioning for a role in a superhero movie. No, it's all about precision. If you miss the head of the nail, you might end up with a crooked nail, a bent hammer, or worse, an unexpected trip to the emergency room. Ouch. So when we say someone hit the nail on the head, we're giving them a high five for being spot on, for nailing it. Pun intended. It's like when your friend finally figures out why their plant is wilting. Oh, you mean it needs sunlight and not just your loving gaze? You really hit the nail on the head there. The origin of this phrase is rooted in the world of carpentry, where accuracy is key. Imagine a carpenter trying to build a beautiful piece of furniture. If they miss the nail, the whole thing could fall apart. Just like your plans for a relaxing evening if you forget to order pizza. And let's be real, we all have those moments when we're just flailing around trying to figure things out. But when someone comes in with that golden insight, it's like they've just pulled out the magic hammer of wisdom. Your suggestion about improving communication really hit the nail on the head. So, the next time you find yourself in a conversation and someone drops that perfect piece of advice, don't forget to give them a nod and say, "You really hit the nail on the head." Because let's face it, we could all use a little more precision in our lives, whether it's in carpentry or just navigating the wild world of adulting. If you like this video, don't forget to share and subscribe to Learn Lingo.